Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video what I'm doing is doing an unboxing on my battery for my bike conversion that I'm doing. So I'm waiting for my wheel at the moment still. So this is the battery that I've got. So it's from Yose Power and it's quite heavy. I've only gone for the basic, so 36 volts, 13 amp power. So yeah, it's a Halong style, I think that's what it's called. And it's pretty basic, but yeah, let's open it up and see what that looks like. So in here we've got some kind of leaflet, user guide, manual, whatever it is. In here we've got, I think this is a charger. Yeah, charger, I think it's 2 amps, basic, and you get the UK plug as well. So yeah, all good. And then at the bottom you've got your kind of like clips and things like that, hold it in place onto your bottom of the frame where you put the battery on. And then this is the battery itself. So it's a bit of a chunky little beast. So you got your keys. Let's get it out. So yeah, you got your keys here. You get 2 keys, and then you've got the battery itself for the down tube. So you put on the down tube where the bottle holder is, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Pretty basic. Let's see if I can get it. So on the side, you've got your charging port. You've got your power on off button, and then here it shows you how much battery power you've got. So after you turn it on, just press that. So it's about half left, and yeah, that's what it looks like. Nothing too crazy. This is where you'll screw it down. So I think what I need to do is take this off with the keys, the battery detach itself, and yeah, we'll see what that looks like. The connectors is basic red and black connectors. What does it say here? It's just caution, things like that. So I'll do, get the keys and see how it kind of comes off. So yeah, let's see. Let's plug it in. I don't know which way around it is. I think that's correct. And then it should hopefully just come off. Oh. Let's try the other way. I'm not sure which way around. So that's locked, I think. I need to put it on to the bike itself, hold it in place, and then it'll come off because it's quite hard at the moment. Oh, there you go. Let's see if it. Oh, sorry. See if have I got it? Seems like it's locked. Okay, that was locked in place. That's why. It's quite hard to get it off while it's not on the bike itself. So yeah, I'll probably do that once I have it on the bike. It'll be a lot easier to take off, but yeah, it's pretty tight because obviously it's new and stuff. It's never been taken off. It's probably be easier doing that once it's on the bike itself. But yeah, that's a kind of quick unboxing video on the Yose Power battery. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.